Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome. My name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you are here. How are you guys doing? I wonder about you. How is everyone surviving? Is your life going back to normal? Is it not? Let me know something about you down below, because I love having conversations with you guys, and I have a conversation with a few of you, but I know there's others that watch too. So leave me a little note down below. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, if you like what you see, please do consider subscribing. I do unboxings and beauty related things and perfume related. Let's jump into the video though. So I have my Macy's beauty bag, or beauty box. It is folded up like that. I haven't opened it yet. And then I have my Glossybox. I just got Glossybox finally. Took a little while. Both of these are about $15 a month for me. This will be my next month will be my last Glossybox. So I will unbox them together next month, but then I will be canceling Glossybox because of finances and stuff. So if you don't know, I have not been fully employed this past year. I was a full-time professor, and that has not, I haven't found another position yet, so fingers crossed that I find something. Really working on it. But in the meantime, the only subscriptions I'm going to be continuing past July are Ipsy and Macy's, so I'll do those together. And that's because I have a year subscription to Ipsy, and Glossybox was a 6-month, so that's why I have it through July. And then Macy's, because I just love Macy's. So, and it's not overly expensive. Let's unwrap the Macy's bag. All right, so Macy's is $15 a month, and you do get a coupon in every box. So sometimes it's $5, sometimes it's $10. It seems to be you have to spend $40 to get the $10 off and $20 to get the $5 off. So you can combine them if there's like one-day sales or something. Anything that doesn't require a code, you can use it online. You can also use it in store, so you can use it twice if you want to. I am covering up my code because I don't want anybody to steal it. It is $10 off for this month though. The first thing I'm pulling out is from Lancome, and I love Lancome skincare. I'm always happy to get stuff from them. Struggling to open it though for some reason. This is kind of a nice, I don't know. Do you guys keep your little Ziploc baggies like this and use them for various things or for travel? I do. Like, please tell me I'm not like the only crazy person that does that. All right. So the Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Serum, the full size retails for $198. So I will not be buying a full size of this, but I do enjoy this on occasion when I get it. And yes, I will definitely use that. So that's a good one. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is from Dry Bar, and it is the Detox Dry Shampoo. And it retails for $23 for the full size, which seems like a lot for dry shampoo. I don't use dry shampoo. I don't like how it feels. I don't like the white cast it leaves. So I will be passing this along. It doesn't feel like there's very much in it, but 23 seems like a lot. Let me know if that seems like a normal amount or not. Then we have from Elizabeth Arden. I had to think what the word was for a second. This is the Retinol Line Erasing Night Serum. So I think there's like usually 7 days worth in here. I've gotten these before, and I really enjoy their ceramide capsules. Yeah, so you have 7 in here. I use these every other night. I wouldn't use this every night. I don't use retinols every night, and you definitely don't want to use them every night if you aren't used to it. But yeah, I think this is nice. This retails, a full size is $107. So once again, really expensive skincare, which is pretty exciting actually. Okay, and this must be what we get. And sometimes they send tools, sometimes they send a bag. It really just kind of depends on the month. So this says beauty supplements. Oh wow, that's interesting. And so it looks like there's a little case here, and you have a larger and then 2 smaller, and then it clips, and then you have the same on this side, and then there's a like jelly thing here. So I guess it's probably waterproof, or supposed to be a little bit more waterproof. it's kind of interesting because you have like 6 days in there if you're using it for supplements. I don't know. Let me know what you would use this for, what you think of it, because it's a nice hard plastic, but it's a little, I don't know, it's different. That's for sure. Then we have the 2 perfumes or scents. They are both from Ralph Lauren. So we have Romance Eau de Parfum, which I already have. The full size is $98, and I think that's like a big one. That's like the 3.3 ounce, because I have a set of the 3 small ones that were like 1 ounce, and it wasn't nearly that much. And then Polo Deep Blue, this is the male fragrance, and it's 105, which is interesting because usually the men's fragrance is less expensive than the women's fragrance. But I don't have anyone to wear the male fragrance, so that will be passed along. We actually have more items than usual in here because they went behind my bum. But looking at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 items. There's usually 6 in here. So we're actually getting like 2 extra items, which is pretty exciting. Like that doesn't happen. From Clarins, this is the Total Eye Lift. It is a concentrate. So it's an eye cream. That's kind of nice. It's a nice, pretty good size. Eye creams, this will last me, a month or 2 because I go through eye creams very slowly. I feel like you just need just the teensiest bit of them. This retails for $89 for a full size. That's crazy. That's a lot of money. Then we have from MAC, this is the Fix Plus, and the full size of this retails for $29. This is a setting spray. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. I don't know if I like MAC Fix Plus. I have another sample of it. So I'm going to, this isn't one that I know automatically I'm going to use. Unlike pretty much everything else, the only things that I'm not going to use are the perfumes. Yeah. And then last thing is from Giorgio Armani, which is really exciting. This is a Lip Maestro Intense Velvet Color in the shade 501. Oh, that's a really pretty color. So this is like a liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Casual Pink. So it actually gives you the name on, not on the package itself, but on our little holder. Look at that pretty color. Oh my gosh. That's definitely a color that I will wear. And this retails for $38. Yeah. They are always really expensive in their lip care. I have a few lipsticks from them that I just really, really like. I almost wore my red Giorgio Armani lipstick today, but I didn't. I went with a different red. All in all, I think this was a fantastic Macy's. We got 8 products. We got the case in addition to that, and with a 10 off of 40, I'm really excited. I think it's a great one. Let's see if Glossy can compete. So Glossybox, there was 2 things on the top when I opened the outside box, and this is collagen peptides from bovines, and I'm not into this type of stuff, so I will. Man, they have a very close expiration date too, 8/1/2021. Like, at least if you're going to give us something like this, it should be a little more than a month, I would think. Like, that's barely a month. We're taking off the ribbon. And we're grabbing out the little card. All right, this is what the stuff inside the box looks like. It smells very natural. Like there's essence emanating from here. So we'll start with this first little one. This is the Pili Ani Crafted for Beauty Antioxidant Rich Face Oil. So it is a 15-day supply of this. Oh, it's just little tiny. And maybe that would last 15 days. I feel like that's a little thing. The full size retails for $62. This is an $8 worth. It is 3 mils. 2 to 3 drops all over your face, neck, and décolletage, and follow with a moisturizer. That's fine. Doesn't really tell me anything about the ingredients. It does have coconut oil in it, which is something that I'm a little concerned with because of all of my acne, and I know that can cause flare-ups, and I've had issues with other coconut products. So I think I will be passing this one along just because I don't want anything that's going to break me out. All right, next up is a Freedom Low pH Hemp and Green Tea Cleanser. This is by Naobay, Naobay Cosmetics, and this retails for $18.20. It is a full size. Now, I've had terrible reactions to products with hemp in it in the past, so this is something else that I will be passing along because the shampoo and conditioner that I was using with hemp that I was using last year had terrible scalp issues, terrible back issues where my hair was like touching my back. So I don't use any hemp products because I don't want to discover that. I don't want to encounter that again. So that one will also be passed along. Then we have this little jar here. This is a natural deodorant cream. I don't want to touch deodorant. Like this is not convenient. This is a tub. This retails for $6. A full size is worth $30 or $13. This doesn't make sense. So anyway, it's a charcoal deodorant. I'm not interested in using this. I am not going to be sticking my fingers in and then trying to rub stuff all over my armpits. Nope, that is not me. I'm not really into natural deodorants either. I don't want to sweat. I like my aluminum in my antiperspirant. Yeah. So that one will be passed along too. We're batting 1,000 this month with this, aren't we? All right, we have Seed Phytonutrients. This retails for $18. This is also a full size. It is a moisture conditioner with black tea and it says black tea and ginger aroma. Let's give it a sniff. It's a fine smell. It doesn't it's not obnoxious in any means. This is supposed to replenish dry, coarse, or damaged hair. I don't really have any of those, but I guess I will still use it or at least give it a try. Let's see. This is supposed to be shower friendly. Once empty, split the bottle open to discover our heirloom seed packets inside. Then compost the paper bottle and recycle the liner. So, yeah, I guess you're supposed to tear this apart. We'll see how this holds up in the shower because this is just like, it feels like cardboard paper. Obviously, they don't have to put stuff on the floor of their showers to keep things going. So I will try that. And then the last thing in here is from Josephine. This is the Do You Flawless Liquid Highlighter in the shade Claire. I don't use a lot of liquid highlighters. This looks pretty. I'm going to swatch it. I probably will regret this because I have way too many highlighters and I need to get rid of some. I have some that I'm working on towards the declutter, but that's what it looks like. And then we'll share it out. Okay, yeah, it's pretty. We'll see. So I will try this. It retails for $36. That's kind of a lot of money for a highlighter, I think. So, have you heard of any of these brands that were in my Glossybox? I don't think I've heard of any of these. Seed Phytonutrients, Naobay Cosmetics, Josephine Cosmetics, Piperwai, Pili. I haven't heard of any of these brands, which isn't a bad thing. Like, part of the reason we have subscription boxes is to learn about new things. But let me know your thoughts on this one, especially because I feel like this was a very, like, natural, like, this is, I don't know. It's not the type of box that I would normally expect from Glossybox. I will definitely get some use out of it. I will try the highlighter. I will try the conditioner. The other items, the collagen, and then these three definitely won't be using because of personal preference or allergies, things that cause breakouts. Let me know which box you think. One, I'm thinking that the Macy's one, like, yes, smaller sizes, but things that I will actually use. Like, I'm looking at, okay, yeah, I won't use the dry bar, and I won't use the 2 perfumes, but I will use, I'm going to find a use for this. I will use it for something. You know, maybe it's even just accessories for $1 or something. I don't know. I don't know about the Max Express, but you know, 3 really good skincare and a lipstick. I'm really excited about that. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you get any of these subscriptions? Yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.